So going back to our ideas on technological progress, we had a couple of equations that I think are quite useful. And so for now, I'm going to measure everything in real terms. So I'm going to get rid of the p terms. And when I talk about delta W, that's going to be the real way. So it's really delta W minus delta P. And delta R is going to be delta R minus delta P. And you don't want to carry all those things around. So since everything's in real terms, so expressed in real terms, the basic total accounting equation on the price side of things basically says that the increase in total factor productivity is going to translate into an increase in the payments to factors on a per unit basis. You can think about this as almost like a unit cost relationship, right? It says if unit cost is going to go down by 10%, then that's going to allow us to, in real terms, pay 10% more to each of the factors. And that could be more than 10% more to labor and less than 10% more to capital, but it has to work out kind of one for one. Everybody understand the idea? We're getting more productive, so that allows input prices to rise relative to output prices. Right? Think of it this way. Start with an equation like price equals marginal cost, right? Well, marginal cost is equal to factor price divided by marginal productivity, right? That's just like, price times marginal product equals wage rate, right? This is generalized to more than one input. So price equals marginal cost is price equals factor price divided by productivity. So if this goes up 10%, that allows factor prices to rise 10% for a given level of price. Okay? So that's basically the idea. And that gives us this as sort of a simple equation. And it says, look, if productivity is rising through time, that's going to allow us to pay more to the inputs. Now, that doesn't tell us which inputs are going to get more. It doesn't tell us whether that extra return is going to go to workers in terms of higher wages per hour, or is it going to go to capital in terms of a higher return on capital. In order to say that, we have to take a stance on how things change. So you might think about a short-run world. In the short-run world, I'm going to think of L and A or fixed. That's what I'm going to think of as the short run. That is, in a very short run, labor and capital are fixed. And any increase in productivity will just be more output from fixed inputs. We don't have any more labor than we had the day before. We don't have any more capital than we had the day before. So the increase in output is just going to be equal to the increase in productivity. Now you might say, well, that's an unrealistic model of labor because really, even though maybe we can't increase the capital stock in the short run, people can work more. We have a labor supply response. And if you're interested in business cycle type frequencies, I agree, that would be important. I want to bring that in. But that's just going to complicate my world a little bit from where I am.